Welcome, everyone! Feast your eyes on the magic of fire!
Little man, you dance first.
Ice cream, every color. What flavor is that blue one? Wake up, wake up, wake up! It is Barcelona Day!
Tom, it is 7 in the morning.
The sun is already up. We are behind.
The boy is right. We're behind.
Behind what? Behind who?
Barcelona is not going to explore itself, Zara.
Your father set 4 alarms. 4. Why does nobody in this family sleep like a normal person?
Because we are in Barcelona. Come on.
Okay, let's go.
It is very big.
It is very big.
It is very beautiful. It smells like a bakery. Can we eat the city?
We cannot eat the city, Tom.
Can we eat part of it?
That is actually the plan, yes.
Right. Today we have Las Ramblas, the market, the waterfront, lunch somewhere local, and if we have energy, the park.
We will have energy.
You say that now.
I am a man of energy, Sarah.
Come on.
Tom, stay close. It is very busy here.
What is this place called?
Las Ramblas. It is the most famous street in Barcelona.
Why is it famous?
Because everyone walks here. Locals, tourists, everyone.
We are walking here.
So now we are famous too.
Cool. Sarah, that man is gold.
He is a street performer. He stands very still and people give him coins.
He just stands there?
Very, very still. He doesn't move. What if I... Tom, do not. I was just going to say hello. You were going to poke him.
I was going to say hello by poking him. I knew he was going to do that.
Of course you did.
Welcome, everyone! Feast your eyes on the magic of fire!
Fire! Real fire!
This is Barcelona, baby.
Not too close. Stay here.
It's scary, but I like it.
That's the spirit.
Tom, go. Tip him. Be brave.
Hi!
He did it for me! Zara, he did it for me! Of course he did. Okay, hero, stay with us.
That's my son. International legend already. Let's keep walking, everyone.
What a beautiful day.
Look at all the buildings! There's more! Look!
Barcelona never stops. This is street music. That man plays guitar
So fast. Can I try?
Little man, you dance first.
nailed it.
No, absolutely not. Do it again, Dad.
Unforgettable.
Not again, Rick.
Ice cream every color. What flavor is that blue one?
Pistachio. Try a small spoon?
It's cold and nutty. I want 2 scoops.
Gelato is Barcelona's best treat. Slow melt, big taste.
Everyone picked different. Race to finish. Brain freeze. Told you to go slow.
This is the best.
I'm good now.
Look at you go, Tom.
Careful, don't drop it.
Oh, this is wonderful.
Right. Everyone gets to choose one thing to try.
What if I need more than one thing?
You don't.
What if Barcelona needs me to try more than one thing?
Barcelona will survive.
Wow, this place is huge. It is. Let's find some fresh fruit.
Here, try this. Very sweet, very fresh.
Oh, good? Mom, this is the best thing I have ever eaten.
Better than Grandma's cake?
Different. Very different.
Wow, let's go see the other stall.
Wow, this place is incredible.
It really is so colorful.
Look at all these spices.
And the fresh produce. It's beautiful.
Let's get some to take home.
Dad, what is that one?
Saffron. Very expensive, very good for cooking.
How do you know about saffron?
Zara, I am a man of culture.
You eat cereal for dinner sometimes.
That is also a culture. Your mother is going to love this.
She is going to ask what you are going to cook with it.
We'll cook something that's impressive.
You don't know how to cook with paprika.
I will learn. I am inspired. I said one thing.
The mango is one thing. The smoothie is a drink. Drinks are not things.
Where did you get that logic?
From you, Dad. 100% from you.
It goes on forever.
It feels like that, doesn't it? Where does it end? Eventually, America. America is on the other side of this water? Far, far on the other side. But yes. Hi, America.
This is the life.
Don't get comfortable, we have the park still.
I am allowed one moment, Sarah.
One moment. Excuse me, could I please have the boat, please? Thank you. Thank you very much. I said excuse me and thank you. You did perfectly. My English worked. Your English always works, Tom.
If I put it in, will it reach America?
It might.
Should I write something on it so America knows it's from us?
What would you write?
Hi, from Tom, Barcelona. Short, clear, perfect.
This is the one. I can feel it.
How can you feel a restaurant?
The tablecloths. Real restaurants have tablecloths.
That is not a real rule.
It has always been a real rule.
Hello. Welcome. We are happy to have you. Can I suggest something? Please. Today's special. Grilled fish, vegetables, bread. Very fresh, very local.
We'll take 4 of those. This fish.
I know.
This is the best fish I have ever eaten.
Better than mine?
Different. Very different.
That is the right answer, Dad. He's learning. How is everyone feeling? Full? Happy?
Inspired.
Inspired by what?
Life, Sarah, the city, this fish. I am going to cook more.
You have the paprika.
I have the paprika. I have the inspiration. I have everything I need.
He is going to burn the paprika.
100%.
Ducks!
Tom,
There are ducks!
stay where I can see you.
Hello, I am Tom. I'm from USA. I am visiting. It answered. Ducks quack, Tom. They do it all the time. It answered me specifically.
Don't fall asleep.
I am not sleeping. I am resting my eyes.
That is sleeping.
It is a technical difference.
This was a good day.
It was a perfect day.
You navigated correctly for once.
I navigate correctly more often than people give me credit for.
Today we just walked and ate and looked at things and talked. And Tom said hi to America and made friends with a duck. No plan, no disasters. Well, almost no disasters. Dad's gonna try cooking with paprika when we get home, and that could go either way. But today was just good, simple and good.